welcome back to my channel DIY World. It's Alisha over here. So in today's video I'm gonna share you a really smoky eye wedding guest makeup look. So you can see me, I am ready here. So first, to begin with, you have to tie your hair into a bun and wash your face with face wash. I have washed my face. Now I am wiping my face really very nicely so that it is clean before you do any kind of makeup. So my face is washed. First of all, I like to use Good Vibes Havana Mango Gel. This is a gel that smells so amazing and it is a hydrating gel. So I'm taking one fingertip and then just applying it all over my face. It does the same work as aloe vera gel, but the fragrance is amazing, so I like to use it before my makeup. So wait for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you can see it is soaked up so nicely, and I'm blotting it with a tissue so I can go the further steps with the makeup. Now I'm using this Vaseline sunscreen. Sunscreen is used because it's a summer wedding guest makeup, so sunscreen is one priority. So I'm dotting my face like dot 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 and then just applying it with my hands. I don't like to use any kind of beauty blender or something like that, but I like my own hands. Your hand does the so pretty work. Now I'm using just Johnson's baby powder with the help of a brush. I'm applying it very kind of in very big amount because I want to bake my face. That's why after some time I will remove it. So now I'm using this M7 eyeshadow palette. This is from Miniso, and I'm using this shade for the transition, and this is the shade number Sparkly Bright Black. So I'm using for doing the cut crease for the smoky eye. As you can see, I have left half of it. Now you can see this is the color that I have used. Now I'm gonna pick this brown color, shimmery color from the palette. It is so nice. It does the perfect work of smoky eye. And you have to do the other eye too. I have done my two eyes. Now I'm gonna do the middle of the crease with the white and some concealer. It does the very perfect job, I'm just smudging the white into the black so it does the smoky eye look. I have done both of my eyes. They look super cute, as I believe. Now I'm using this Lakme 925 eyeliner. This is the gel eyeliner. So I'm starting from the inner corner of my upper eye line. Then I am taking the brush to the outer corner and doing a wing. If you use this eyeliner, it gets dry in just a minute. So I'm doing the other eye too. As you can see, I finished both of my eyes. They look dramatic. Now I'm gonna use Maybelline Hyper Curl eyelash mascara. This is waterproof. They make the eyelash so bigger than before that don't ask. This is so pretty. Now I'm using the same palette. I'm using this brown shade for contouring, and for contouring you have to make pout so that bone can be seen and the line of the contouring can be done. So it's done. Now after the baking process, I'm taking off the extra powder that is left behind. So this is the process of baking. Now I'm using this 18 eye drama kajal in my lower lash line As you can see, I have applied it. Now I am taking a flat brush and smudging it. This creates a bold kind of eye look. This is just amazing. And I am doing the same to my other eye. You can see my eyes look so fancy and so dramatic. Now is the time for lips. I'm using this Lakme Enrich Matte Satin Lipstick. This is so pretty color. I love this color. In camera it will show orange, but the color is very nude. Believe me guys, this shade is very nude. In camera I don't know why it's showing orange, but it's really very nude color. This is perfect for any kind of bold eye look and very kind of subtle, lip makeup. So I am taking a tissue and seeing where the extra lipstick gets off. As you can see, the look is done. I am taking an eyebrow pencil. This is a spoolie. And then now I am taking the makeup setting spray from Gulabri. It is just amazing. Like you can't see in camera, it just gets absorbed to the skin in a minute. Now 1, 2, 3, go! And you can see some beauty shots. This look is my favorite wedding guest look. This is just amazing guys, believe me. The eye look, the lip makeup is just amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.